Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your tooth when a dentist removes a cavity? Stay with this video because today you will finally see the complete step-by-step cavity removal process through a powerful 3D animation and medical animation that reveals everything your dentist sees but you've never witnessed. Tooth decay is one of the most common dental problems in the USA and Canada, yet most people don't truly understand how a dental procedure works. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how dentists remove tooth decay, how the cavity filling procedure is performed, and how tooth restoration helps you maintain long-term oral health. From early cavity symptoms and tooth sensitivity to full cavity treatment, this video will show you the entire journey. The process begins with a detailed dental checkup during your dental visit. Your dentist identifies decay, removes damaged tissue through precise tooth drilling, and prepares the tooth for a dental filling. You will see how a composite filling is applied, shaped, and cured to restore the structure of your tooth. This level of dentistry is what helps prevent more serious issues like root canal treatment or oral surgery. Understanding the full tooth decay removal process empowers you to take better care of your oral hygiene and helps you avoid unnecessary dental treatment later. Before we continue with the deeper 3D animation, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, and write a comment about your own cavity experience or dental care story. Your engagement helps us create more educational content about dental care, oral health, dentistry tips, tooth care, and healthy teeth. Now let's go further into the cavity removal procedure. You'll see how the dentist removes decay layer by layer, why composite filling materials are chosen, and how tooth restoration protects your tooth structure. You will also learn the difference between early tooth decay and advanced decay, how dental hygiene can prevent tooth sensitivity, and why regular dental checkups are essential for maintaining healthy teeth in both USA dentistry and Canada dental care systems. This complete 3D animation guide is designed to make dental procedures simple, clear, and educational. Whether you want to understand cavity filling, tooth care, dental tips, or how modern dentistry prevents root canal complications, this video will give you a full understanding of what actually happens inside your tooth. By the end of this guide, you will know more about oral health, dental treatment options, and the importance of early cavity symptoms detection than most patients ever do. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share it so more people can learn how to protect their teeth and maintain strong oral health.